how to turn incognito mode on or off on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or off incognito mode in the YouTube app so you can browse privately without saving history whether you are on iOS or Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the YouTube app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the profile section, at the top, you can see the option labeled as Turn on Incognito. So simply tap on that, and once you tap on it, your screen will change and you will see a message at the bottom saying that you are incognito. So here YouTube won't save your searches or watch history while in this mode. And how to turn off incognito mode. So here, while you are in the incognito mode, you can simply go to the U tab again, and here at the bottom there you can see the option labeled as turn off incognito. So simply tap on it